In section 4 of module 12, we talk about Clayton Christensen's article on disruptive innovation. So what is disruptive innovation? So this is that type of innovation that essentially overturns markets because there's a whole new approach to meeting the needs of the customer. And kind of the really salient example he offers is how the microcomputer took over from the mini computer, and how the mini computer never really saw that coming. So he contrasts disruptive innovations to sustaining innovations, which just extend an existing market for the firm. And so the authors then talk about how the firm is comprised of resources, processes, and values. So this is not too different from our talk about what goes on within the firm. But then they go further and they say, well, sustaining innovations allow the firm to use its existing resources, processes, and values, whereas the disruptive innovation causes the firm's values and processes to work against the firm. And so the authors then suggest a number of remedies for this, because essentially what you need to do is to be able to confront disruptive innovation by generating new values and new processes for the firm. And how do you do this? Well, you either create new organizational structures within the firm that highlight these new values and processes. You could spin off a component of the firm, so you can kind of create and insulate new values and processes. Or you could look to acquire a firm that you believe has the processes and the values that you need, and then in all three of these situations, you're able to leverage your resources, but essentially adapt new processes and values that the disruptive innovation requires.